Is this the future of smartphones? Let's find out. The Honor 200 Pro boasts a stunning design, crafted with precision. Its glass and aluminum body gives it a premium feel, while the ultra-thin bezels make the display pop. Equipped with a 6.7-inch OLED display, the Honor 200 Pro offers vibrant colors and deep blacks. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures smooth scrolling and an immersive viewing experience. Photography enthusiasts will love the Honor 200 Pro's advanced camera system. Featuring a 108 megapixels main sensor, a 16 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and an 8 megapixels telephoto lens, it captures stunning photos in any condition. Under the hood, the Honor 200 Pro is powered by the latest Kirin 9900 processor, delivering lightning-fast performance. And with a 5000 mAh battery, you can go all day without worrying about recharging. Running on Magic UI 5.0, the Honor 200 Pro offers a smooth and intuitive user experience. Features like multi-screen collaboration and enhanced privacy settings make it a joy to use. The Honor 200 Pro combines cutting-edge technology with a sleek design, making it a top contender in the smartphone market. Are you ready to experience the future?